This is part 3 of modifying my PVC air horn with suggestions from the comments. Instead of a regular balloon, a lot of people have been asking for a punching bag balloon, so let's give it a shot. So I'm going to take my small piece of 3/4 inch PVC and stick it in the balloon like that. And another thing I do when I make these is I sand this edge a little bit so it doesn't tear the balloon when you stretch it. And I stick this piece on and tape it up. And in case you missed my video from the first time, go back and check it out because it'll show you exactly how to make one. It's pretty important that you get this tight here or else it doesn't work that well. Alright, so here we go. We could probably take that off. Let's see if the punching bag balloon does any better than the regular balloon. Got a little bit of a storm coming through, but that's not going to stop us. I'm not so sure this was even any better, but leave your suggestions down below and we'll see what we come up with next.